This video is to give out highlights or hypotheses to people out there asking some questions relating to special protection and document issues here in Italy. Now, let me try to give out some hypotheses here. Everybody know how this issue came about, whereby the Senate have given 94% votes for them to go ahead on the abolition of special protection, of which they were waiting for the chamber to now give the final say to go ahead with the green light for them to make new decreto di immigrazione. Now, there were amendments which came from the Five-Star Movement, other party, opposition parties, Sinistra they call them. They brought some amendments, about 940 something amendment which they brought for them to at least check if they can still save the special protection for people to be getting it here in Italy. And then let me state this here. Special protection is a document which is being created by Italian government. Now Italian government, I then get this document known as special protection. So now they are not stating that yes, since the Senate give the go ahead, they have to wait for the chamber, of which as of yesterday, they debated the issue at the parliament. Majority there in the chamber of deputies also win the vote, stating that the abolition of special protection have to continue. So as it stands now, many people are asking question, what of me who have appointments to thumbprint to get this special protection for the first time? What is my hope? Now let me answer this particular one. The answer is that nobody knows yet what is going to go on this particular issue. But what they have stated is that yes, if they give it to you and then it expires, you only have rights to renew it for just only 6 months. Now there is one thing that is complicated here, which I was making research that of yesterday to hear them state about the conversion of this document, because what they stated at the Chamber of Deputies, they are now stating that they have to give abolition, that is abolish special protection. They did not hit the point which everybody are curious to hear, that you cannot convert this document. So we have to still wait and watch until they pass it and then make it as a law, because definitely they are going to bring out a new decreto di immigrazione where they are going to analyze everything, the hypothesis, types of documents you cannot convert, the ones you can convert, you know, different kind of changes where they go make. But one thing when they funny be say yes, I not hear where the contact say you know if you convert the documents for the chamber. That is one thing that is very funny. The question here is that those people who already make appointments to now thumbprint to get this plastic for the conversion, what are their hope? Now let me make it clear that it is not the first time. Anytime they make any law, anytime even Europe as a whole, anytime they pass any decree and it happens to be that you have already submitted application before the law come into force, automatically you will not be affected. So to answer those people who say that yes, I have appointment to make conversion, all those kind of stuff, you have the appointment, very right. You don't get how you want to affect them. Even if now say this, they slot the law to their official gazette, you don't get problem because you already get appointment. So that is just what people have to understand. So many other questions which relating to the special protection for asking. Now we will never get document. What if you our hope? Nothing much to state. Not me go tell on a say see what they happen. Check. It is for you to pray hard and then you wait. They do your work, they go. Even as things they go worse, maybe like say they try to block the special protection, block the international protection, solidary protection. There are still people out there who are getting the document from their judge. So people have to calm down. Don't have to be worried of anything. Anyhow they pass their law, it is their government. Whatever they like, they can do. So that is just it. And then one thing I also have to state here is that those people who already get their documents from the court, 2 years protezione speciale, you are asking if you are going to be affected by the law. Let me tell you, if you get 2 years protezione speciale from the court, or you get it at the questura, they are the same type of documents. Nothing changed. The only changes there is that you have the verbale which the judge gave to you, granting you the document. Why the one of questura? You are the one who gave verbale to the questura and then they grant you the document. So if you get your protezione speciale direct from the court and that of questura, they are all the same document, nothing different from these two types of document issue, either questura or that of your judge. So that is just it. We have to watch and see until they pass this law into their official journal. Then they go put some article. Definitely you have to refresh everything, you know, documents where you know if you convert, the one where you know if you convert, because we have cura medicae, we have calamita naturale, we have motivo familiare, we have different types of documents. So they are going to state everything in details. Then we have to now know the types of documents which they can convert and then the ones which cannot be converted. So all these things we are still stating here are hypotheses, what the government are stating. So when they bring in their final deal, publishing it, then we have to know what they get in the article, and then it also have to be stated. So that is just it. Respect to all the fans of Prince TV. Wetin una fit do for me now to share my video and then you give me thumbs up. Wetin I dey do for you, so I dey tell una many times, e not too concerning me, but I feel for my people. That is why you see I come every time to read that news, what is happening in the Italian territory, so that people when it concern, they go know how it be. So that is just it. Respect to all the fans of Prince TV out there. Share my video and then you give me thumbs up. Ciao.